and unique purple flowering perennials for every growing zone. Blue Jean Baby Russian Sage. Perovskia atriplicifolia. Blue Jean Baby is a smaller form of Russian sage that packs a long flowering period and vigorous growth. Long spikes of fragrant lavender-blue flowers appear in midsummer, earlier than other varieties, and persist for almost 2 months. Caesar's Brother Siberian Iris. Caesar's Brother Siberian Iris, or Iris sibirica. Caesar's Brother is an adaptable, herbaceous perennial iris with upright dark purple standards and flaring violet falls with white to gold centers. Decadence. Sparkling sapphires. False indigo. False indigos, Baptisias, are known for their striking royal blue flower spikes and fall interest. Decadence. Sparkling sapphires. False indigo takes interest to a new level, but in a compact form. Dense blazing star. The dense blazing star is easy to care for and makes a stunning addition to an outdoor space. Tiny, pinkish-purple, star-shaped flowers grow along tall stems or spikes. Lollipop verbena. Enjoy attractive flowers all summer long with the lollipop verbena. The dainty 5-petaled flowers bloom in globe-like clusters on top of tall stems. Peachy Spic Stokes Aster. Stokes Asters. Stokesia hybrids are a group of cultivated hybrids that have been favorites in gardens across the nation for decades. Peachy's Pick is named after Peachy Saxton, who discovered it growing in her Mississippi garden. Serendipity Allium. A time-honored addition to most informal gardens, allium continues to be a gardener's favorite. Large lavender umbels of flowers sway over fleshy green stalks with strap-like leaves at ground level. Sweet summer love clematis vine. This stunning clematis is covered with hundreds, maybe thousands of flowers from summer into fall. It produces lovely flowers that start raspberry red, change to purple, and then mature to violet in color. West Country Blacksmith Lupine. While the West Country series of lupine has several colors available, the royal purple and white bicolor lupine blacksmith has to be one of its most dramatic colors. Deep, rich purple with opposing white petals are contrasted by bright green palm-like leaves at the base of the plant. Explore cool and unique purple flowering perennials. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.